Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn PHP methods. What is method and why we require to use in PHP? Yes, methods are so important when we are entering into work with object-oriented programming in PHP. And methods are similar to functions inside a class. Their declaration and behavior are almost similar to a normal function, except their special uses inside the classes. And whenever we are going to declaring a function, see this is the highlighting of the text, and it would be if it is an inside a class declaration, it will be so called it is a method. Other than there is no big differentiation between method and functions. Now I will show you how to declare a method inside a class and how to call this particular method in outside class with a declaration of instantiation of object by creating new object. How simple it is, I'll discuss you with very simple and super easy to know about how to declare and use these methods. Let's see here. In this PHP form, I am preparing here, it is a class object. Let's see, class, and name of the class I am given as example. You have to start begin with the name of the class name. It should be capital letter to easy to identify and the class will recognize. And open and end the braces. Within the class, I am writing public function. This is the public function means it will be called outside the function very easily. See, public function echo, and I'm passing one parameter, so called it is argument. Yes, string, string. And again, open and terminate here. And inside the class, it is declared as a public function with a one parameter, like a dollar and a variable I have written. It is so called. It is a parameter. Now, what I am when I am calling this, I want to return the value when I have sent the and forward the value to here, and it should be written like like saying is an output is in the same string only. All right. Now, this is the class declaration, and inside the class, what I'm done here, it is in a function I have a prepared for one function. That is the public function I have a prepared here. All right. Now, we'll see a very simple to super easy to call this function. See, when I am preparing a variable called obj, not only the variable obj, any name by using this you can use for variable declaration. And equal to I'm assigning by calling the class, like example is the class name. So when I'm using keyword of new example, I am writing here and close with the parentheses and terminate. This is the line is very much important whenever you want to interact with your class objects. All the functions which are available to like a public and child classes where you want to interact and call and avail the functionality from your class. This is the so-called this declaration is very much important, and it would be called as in technical term it is object, like a object instantiation. Okay, object instantiation would be like this: obj, the so-called I have prepared for the name is obj. Any name can be possible to create, and equal to new class name. This is the class name I have prepared here. Which class we are going to like creating new object. This object we can use for to avail all the functionality from that class, which is able to access with the public, right? Now see here, by using this class object obj and making echo of what I'm transmitting, they calling this, and I'm sending a data of hello world. I'm passing, this is from, if I'm passing like this and I'm calling this function. So it will be called argument. I am passing an argument. Here, when it is reached here, it can be called as a parameter. Strongly remember, there is a big difference between these two things. All right. Now you are in the output of this, and now see, this is the object instantiation. And here I am calling this hello world data. I am passing to this variable parameter, and I've written the value. I will be get as an output hello world. Let's see, save this and reload. Yeah, just a second. Here it is something. It's getting like some lines. We have done some basic instantiation. Let's check with the lines once again. Yes. Oh, sorry. This arrow is having this. Now save it. Like this object is calling like a hyphen and greater than is required, or else it will throw you like a parsing errors. Now see, we'll get in a hello world. Yeah. While writing the code, very much simple. Like such type of mistakes will be done with the programmers. All you have to avoid such things too. Like you have to write the code lines in your hands, and you have to check with this. Okay. And what I can do is now, if I'm changing this hello world text, let's see here, ratings for the day. You will see, save this and reload. You will see the greetings for the day. What is the message you are passing dynamically the parameter by reading the class object, and it will be through you the message of greetings for the day. From wherever you want to invoke this class, and you will utilize the same class to send the dynamic data which you want to call, and you will get the output from this same class. And meanwhile, if you want to prepare any business logic over here within the methods, by creating many methods, you can possible to create like a copy of this method and paste here and specify some other name here, not only echo. And I can say that some string means one string is here, and I am passing two strings like str2 also I'm sending one or two strings. One is this is one, and another one is this. And here I can make it as a plus of these two, and I'll return the value by making as an if I call this sum function. Likewise, you can build n number of the things in using class objects. This is called, we call, so call it as a method. How about the methods are in PHP? Try to practice more and more. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.